ear to the phone, that's extreme. Ah, which one was it? Ah, this Audi. I can see very clearly the ear, the hand to his ear.
Are you behind a white van? Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
You're the bicycle man.
I am. You're in trouble now.
Okay, well, I apologise.
No problem.
But I'm a big cyclist and serious cyclist.
You can't do it, man. You should know better than... I could hear you talking to the person on the other thing. I just come from court for another person.
Yeah, okay, but can I just say one thing in my defence?
Go ahead.
With all the bridges closed off, there's a lot of stationary traffic. But I agree with you.
All right.
There's a lot of stationary traffic, and I think in this situation...
I gotta go now. You have a good weekend.
And you, take care.
I'm the bicycle man. Really? I'm on a bicycle. Good morning, everybody. So I have a question I'd like to pose to anyone watching this who might be using their phone whilst driving, even if it's stationary in the queue. So getting away with doing that once is pretty easy, right? There's a very good chance no one will ever catch you. But what about when you do it at every traffic light on your journey, or every traffic light that you stop at least? What about for every commute through a whole week? Do you think you can still get away with it that long? And then what about for every commute in a month or a year? Think about it this way. I or any other camera cyclist only has to catch you slightly more than once every 3 years for you to end up disqualified. Think of the risk you're taking with your driving license, with the price of your insurance, and yeah, maybe even with your job. Okay, that's all I really wanted to ask. See ya.